Thank you for your invitation for us to join you in the open house of the temple. It was a very peaceful and enlightening experience. And I was able to visit the Celestial Room. And I was asked earlier what my thoughts are about the Celestial Room. And I said it was a peaceful experience. And it was so serene and so calm and so peaceful that I felt as if my thoughts were being spoken to me. So para bang lahat ng iniisip ko ay sinasabi sa akin. And I am truly thankful for the opportunity. It's my first time to visit your chapel and of course the temple, a temple. And we'd like to thank you for accepting us and welcoming us today here in your community. At nagpapasalamat kami sa patuloy ninyo na suporta sa tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo. Maayong hapon sa inyo. Thank you.